Hey CVS fans and enthusiasts, Curtis here. Today I wanted to go over our new hex clutch adjuster spring nuts that will make your clutch adjusting more precise, accurate, convenient, and faster. With our new product, you can say goodbye to your old adjusters and even that flathead screwdriver you modified, and say hello to a 12mm socket that everyone pretty much has in their toolbox. So if you have a vintage Triumph or BSA unit construction twin, please feel free to watch the rest of this video. A clutch adjuster nut, as shown here, allows the user to apply more or less pressure to their clutch plates by tightening or loosening their clutch nuts. When adjusting your clutch, you want the perfect mix that will work specifically with your application, whether it's street riding, road racing, or off-road. Let's go over our new hex adjusting nut. Using a screwdriver or dedicated tool, like this one, you can clearly see how challenging and time-consuming it is to adjust the stock-style clutch spring adjustment nut. With our new hex adjusters, you can simply use a 12mm socket combined with a power drill and adjust them quickly and accurately as shown. Pretty easy, huh? But the main reason for this new design is to save time, but also allow accuracy. Let's cover some important details. Our new clutch spring adjusters still utilize the stock 1/4 by 26 threads per inch. Made here in the USA, each nut is manufactured from stainless steel, which means it will not rust or corrode. Hex nuts are sold each, and for the current pricing, please check our website, classicbritishbears.com. If you're interested in this product, please check the link in the description below. Also, if you're interested in any classic British motorcycle content, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. CVS fans and enthusiasts, Curtis here. That will make your clutch... When adjusting your clutch, you want to... If you're interested in the product, please check the... in old classic